This how to 1 minute will show you how to add an image in the WordPress sidebar widget. So as you can see right now, I'm in my WordPress site and here is my sidebar. And now I want to add an image widget in the sidebar. To do that, I'm going to my WordPress dashboard and hovering on appearance and clicking on widgets. Once you are in your widget settings page, here you will get your sidebar widgets section. And now to add only image to your sidebar widget, here you will get image widget. Just drag it and drop it into your sidebar, and now click on add image, and I'm going to selecting an image from my media library, add to widget, and let's update or save it. Now I'm going to reloading my website, and as you can see, the image has been added in my sidebar. And if you want to add image widgets with text, then follow these steps. Again, come to your widget settings page, and now all you have to need to add image with text, here you have to scroll down and search for text. Add these widget to your sidebar, and now you can write here your text and click on add media, and now select a photo for your widget, insert to post. You can add a title here, and now let's save it. And I'm going to reloading my website, and here we can see I've successfully added an image with text in my sidebar widget. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.